In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find working StockX promo code in November 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and then here at search box type in StockX promo code and then hit on search. It shows you different websites where you can find free StockX coupon codes. You can open up any of that website and here, as you can see, I can go through that big list of coupon codes and I can select any of them. For example, the first one gives me $20 off. I can hit right here to see that coupon code. Then I can hit here to select it, then hit on copy to copy it to my clipboard. And then I can move on to StockX.com where I can buy their stuff and use that promo code. Just don't forget to use it before paying any money. If for some reason that coupon code doesn't work, you can always go back to that site and from here you can try to use another one. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.